Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go in the settings application and then click on the sounds and vibration. Now you can see here the ringtone volume panel. Just swipe this volume panel to the left side, and by this way you can mute your device ringtone. And also the second way, you just should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the three dots and slide down the ringtone volume panel, and by this way you can also unmute your device, mute your device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.